trying to freaking eat lunch!
The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a special marine warning for Duluth, Minnesota to Fort Wayne, Wisconsin, Lake Superior west of the line from Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin to Grand Portage, Minnesota beyond 5 nautical miles, Silver Bay Harbor to Two Harbors, Minnesota, Two Harbors to Duluth, Minnesota, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near French River, or 13 nautical miles northeast of Duluth Lift Bridge Channel, moving east at 25 knots. Expected hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Larchmont and French River. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. The current time is 1:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time. These are the 1 p.m. on...
Alright, I'm just trying to freaking eat my lunch. And, right in the middle of that, I get a notification on my phone. Says, DLH issues marine warning. And then I open Twitter to see where the heck it's for. And I see it's for way west on Lake Superior. Like, way over, like, just off Duluth. And then I hear this thing go, beep. I freaking run in here, almost slamming that door because the freaking window keeps shutting and I need to set my freaking computer in front of it. Keep it open just in case there's any more things. But yes, we did get a warning. My first Duluth warning. Or, yes, my first Duluth warning of the year. It's taking a while. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to... Yep.
The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a special marine warning for Lake Superior west of the line from Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin to Grand Portage, Minnesota beyond 5 nautical miles, Fort Wayne to Sand Island, Wisconsin, Silver Bay Harbor to Two Harbors, Minnesota, Two Harbors to Duluth, Minnesota, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Larchmont, or 18 nautical miles northeast of Duluth Lift Bridge Channel, moving east at 20 knots. Expected hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. The following impacts are expected. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Oh.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KZZ 78 Ashland. Operating on a frequency of 162.
This radio's getting old. Well, that's 2 special marine warnings in today. Yay. We're gonna get another one in the next 20 minutes. Trying to import videos. Another alert. Well, I'm getting alerts on my radio. I'm trying to import videos to my computer from my phone.
The Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a special marine warning for Schwalmegen Bay, Bayfield to Oak Point, Wisconsin, Lake Superior west of the line from Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin to Grand Portage, Minnesota beyond 5 nautical miles, Oak Point to Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin, Sand Island to Bayfield, Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Bayfield Peninsula Sea Caves to 8 nautical miles southwest of Red Cliff, moving east at 35 knots. Expected hazards include wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. The following impacts are expected. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Oak Point, Red Cliff, and Madeline Island. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bayfield County in northwestern Wisconsin, northwestern Ashland County in...
Well, that's a total of 4 warnings today, and this is all off the marginal. This time it's actually not the bust. Oh great. Another one of the... Why do you do this to me?
Operating on...
Bayfield and Douglas.
The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Bayfield County in northwestern Wisconsin, eastern Douglas County in northwestern Wisconsin until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lou, or 29 miles east of Superior, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lou and Wayno. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Wisconsin, Bayfield, and Douglas. The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has...
Surprise warning! Just after they allowed the alert to expire, they issue another one.
The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ashland County in northwestern Wisconsin, north central Sawyer County in northwestern Wisconsin until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Clam Lake, or 11 miles northeast of Chippewa flowing east, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Okay. Wait a minute. Let me check IRC. Issued at 3:28. It's 3:34. Here it is. It's loading now. Oh wait, no, it's not loading. They haven't received the alert yet? Nope, they haven't. Not yet. Where's that? Ooh, new SVR and an SVA.
The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashland County in northwestern Wisconsin.
Actually, where is that SVA at?
Central Wisconsin, east central Sawyer County in northwestern Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Clam Lake, or 16 miles east of Chippewa flowing east, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs.
Ooh, cows are going to be happy. Same with the cats.
Impacted include Park Falls, Five Field, Butternut, Blaisdell Lake, and Butternut Lake.
Can't find it.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following
Watches
counties
in there.
Wisconsin, Ashland, Price, and Sawyer.
Let's watch 292, right? Yes. Alright. I can't see where the watch is for. I don't know if it's in portions of DLH. I don't think DLH goes on here. Oh, and a new SVR. Brand new one. Oh, wait, was that an
The
SVA?
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 292,
This is a
effective
PBS
until
watch. It's gotta
11
be a
p.m.
PBS
Central
watch.
Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county, Gogebic, Michigan, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Ashland and Iron. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.